Hi, so we have Harsh with us. Harsh is a 27-year-old. He's all the way from New Jersey. What do you do, Harsh?
So I work in IT as a project manager.
You performed an ARTAS Robotic hair restoration for you, right?
Correct.
Transplanting over 3,200 hair grafts. And why don't you talk about it? Yeah, I always talk about it.
So yes, so I can see definitely if you see the hairline, it's coming in beautifully, and 3,200 grafts does make the density around the corner look good. The density is also spread towards the crown, so getting longer hair is not even a problem for me. Right, hair loss is completely zero. I cannot see even a single hair coming out, even in my towels or anywhere else. And apart from that, yeah, so I had those thin brownish hairs, but now I can see that those are coming in as thicker. So yeah, density is getting
right
more.
So in his case, he was almost at approaching a stage 5A of the male pattern baldness, a very advanced stage where everything was lost from the hairline till the vertex crown junction. Now in his case, the hairline looks fantastic. Yeah, you see the fall of the hair. Yeah, the angles of the hair, they have come in beautifully in his case. And look at the temporal hairline junction. This junction has to look very natural, which looks very good in this case. Yeah, look at the junction; it looks very nice. And again, it was just not that much area, but we had gone in decreasing density right towards the vertex crown junction, which I think is restored pretty well, right? So I hope you had a good time with us.
Yes.
And one takeaway, if you have to give to so many people out there suffering from hair loss, and they're looking out for a solution, what would that be?
So don't think twice. Start the process. At least you will not lose more hair rather than not having the correct processes.
How important is the good research?
Yeah, it's definitely good
important.
because you will see the differences. I have seen the differences. Many people are coming from many places around India, and you will see the difference not immediately, but definitely after 3, 4, 5, 6 months of complete transformations when you are looking at comparing.
It's a good weight. And how has it transformed your life? Just what the way you look good, but how do you feel? How does it change your life?
It gives you more confidence. So now I'm back on track because I had accelerated my hair fall loss soon after COVID, and people were saying some time of vaccines or anything around the corner. So that got accelerated, and within 2.5 years I was like, oh my god, where is it going? But now I'm feeling back in the phase.
It's important to do a good research, but also be decisive at the same time. Yeah, many people do a lot of research, they spend years on it, and then end up doing nothing, and then they really want to do something, but the stage is gone. Right, so do it at the right time.
Act it at the first.
Yeah. All right. So today we're going to do a PRP for him, and then he's going to be headed back. All right.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Come.